Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Shopify and then also how you can create your first Shopify store. So without further ado, let's move. So guys, as you can see, this is our dashboard. So I want to tell you something before I creating the store. Like starting your own online store feel overwhelming. Okay, so you don't know where to click one to set up like a your store and how to make look professional. So in this video I will show you everything step by step, how you can use Shopify and then how you can build your first store from scratch. And then also guys, the most important thing I will show you like what you have to do after creating the store, and I will show you actually how you should know before you creating the store. And by the end of the day you will know completely Shopify store knowledge, and then also how to launch your store, everything, how to connect your domain, all this stuff I will give you basic overview. So let me tell you one more thing, like for example, the first part I will create Shopify account. So first of all you have to go to the shopify.com. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Shopify, so you have to come to the shopify.com. So once you come to the shopify.com, so you have to click the start free trial, and then you have to give your email and store name and password, all this thing. So you have to follow the next step. So guys, I have got it. So that's the step. So guys, once you log into the Shopify dashboard, so this is your control center where you can manage your product, customize your store, and handle your order. Okay, so let me give you some overview. As you can see that this is the home. Under the home you will get some important notification. Under the order you can manage all the order, and then you can create our draft order. And then also under the product guys, you can add our product. If you don't know how to add a product, so you have to click on add product, and then actually you have to follow the next step. Guys, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And then after that you have to click on the collection. So once you click on the collection, you have to create a collection. So if you have to click the add collection on over here, and after that guys, you can see best selling. So you have to click on the best selling to add product on the best selling collection. Okay, so guys, under the customer you can see all the customer. Under the marketing you can see your marketing, you can run a campaign, you can set up attribution, you can set up automation, you can create a discount. So under the content guys, you can create a menu and then also blog post. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. So if you want a specific video on that, so you can comment me, I will create a specific video how to do SEO blog. Okay, so under the market we can set up our market, like for example which places actually we want to sell, like for example USA, Bangladesh, Andorra. So this is I have added. For example, if you want a specific video on a specific like content marketing analysis, you can comment, I can create a video for you. And guys, under the online store there is the most important part here. So we can actually do everything from into over here. So we can customize from here, and then also we can add a new theme from here. As you can see, we can add new theme from here. Okay, so also you can filter new theme, you can also filter paid theme, all this thing, and from here we can buy our perfect theme for our store. Okay, so guys, I hope you got it. So right now I'm gonna go to the product, and then after that I will actually come I'll click the add product, and then from here guys I will show you how you can add your first product. So as you can see, first of all you have to give your product title. This is the product title, this is the product description. I already told you, you have to click the add media by clicking here. So from here you have to add your image, and then after that you have to give your price, and then here you have to give your compare price. And then also guys, if I scroll down here, you can add your own variant by clicking custom variant, and like for example CU color, and then also you can give like a red, black, black, like that. Okay, and once this is done, you have to click the done. So guys, this way you can add your product, and you have to also you can also add the variant image by clicking here. Okay, so guys, I hope you got it. So guys, right now I'm going to show you how you can actually organize your collection. So first of all you have to go to the product, and then after going to the product, as you can see the collection, so you have to click the collection, and then once this is done you have to click the create collection. Okay, so here you have to give your collection name, like for example creative web bws. So this is agency.com. so if you want you can visit online. So if you actually want to explore our service, this is our agency website. So here we are actually providing all related to Shopify service. I hope guys you got it. So if you want, you can directly message on that. Okay, so here is the title, and then here is the description. You have to give your description, and then once you give the description, you have to add the feature image by clicking here. So let's select the feature image for the collection. This is our feature image, and from here you can click the browse, and then you're going to add all the product by clicking here. Then that's done. So this way guys, you can create your collection. I hope guys you completely understand. So guys, it's time to customize our online store. So next so design your store. So Shopify gives you the themes, chose the let's pick a theme for customization. Okay, so I already told you how you can customize that. So first of all you have to go to the online store, and once you go to the online store, all you have to do you need to click the customization. And also I already told you how you can add actually a theme. So all you have to do, you explore free theme, and then also from here which theme actually you want to add, you can filter by clicking here, and then also you can click the down theme. So let's click on the down theme, let's try, and then if you click the try, and this theme actually will add in my store. Okay guys, I hope you completely understand how you can do that. Hello guys, so right now we are going to customize our theme. So from here we are going to delete all the product. I'm going to show you from scratch. So let's delete all of them so that you can actually understand how it works. So first of all you have to click the add section. By clicking here, first of all you have to set up your section, like for example which section actually you want to show in your store. So for example I want to show the banner first. Let's remove the feature, and then after that I want to show the feature collection. Okay, so as you can see here the feature collection product, and after that I want to show image with text. So this way actually you have to organize your section. And then guys, after that I want to add the review. So let's click the review review. So actually we have created a review section by AI. Let's try to add that. So if you don't know how to create a section by review section with AI, so let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so before I getting the logos, it's like review section, I wanna add all the section that I need. So and then after that I will add the multi section. There actually I will add my benefit, and then also I will do the add section, and from here guys I will add the collapsible row, and then by the end of the day I will add actually FAQ. I have added the FAQ. That's the main thing. So you can actually, if you have a lot of product, you can actually duplicate it and then you can show at the bottom. Okay, so if you have a lot of product, like for example like 2 or 3 5 to collection, you can show like that. So this is like new trend, so you can give like that. So you have to give couple of name based on your name. So from here right now I'm going to customize this. So first of all I'm going to click on over here, and I will add my first image for my store. So let's click on select image, and from here let's click on over here, and let's click on over here, and same way I'm going to select this image. Okay, so two images I have added here. So right now if you want, you can give overlay by clicking drag and drop here. So overlay have been added. So if you want this banner like the container, so you can keep it, and then if you don't want, you can click here. So the container will be removed. So from here you have to change your color, text color. So if you want to change text color, you have to select the section first, and then color scan, and select the white color. Okay, so white color. So as you can see, this color have been changed. So from here I have to give the more overlay so that the text actually show properly. So the text position I want to keep it bottom. So how you can do that? As you can see that alignment, so you can keep it center, you can keep it medial, and then you can see the position, and then if you click on over here, bottom center, I want to keep it bottom center. So now its position have been changed. So now you can add your own banner text. Okay, because right now I'm gonna give you some basic information about Shopify setting. Let's click on the settings, and from here guys you can control the all this thing from here. So for example, under the general we can control our store name and all this thing, and then also under the plan we can control our plan, and then we can see which plan actually we have taken, and our all the subscription we will see under the billing. So under the user and permission actually we can see who like what kind of freelancer or agency we have given the access, you can see from here. And then also from payment you can connect your own payment method by clicking choose provider, and then out under the checkout, and then you can follow the next step to connect your payment. Under the checkout guys you can actually connect, you can actually customize your checkout page basic. So if you want to customize all the thing about checkout, you have to take the Shopify Plus under the customer. So let's click on the settings again, and from here all I have to do is, as you can see, the customize, and then customer account, you can see all the customer account. Under shipping and delivery you can actually see your shipping all the product, and then you can connect to shipping from here. And then under the taxes, and then you can set up a taxes like for the United States you want to, if you want, you can actually find a specific like a tax. Okay, so let's click on here. So as you can see for the Bangladesh 50%, and this way you can set up all the country. Under the location guys you can set up your location, and then under the app and sales channel you can see all the apps that you have installed so far. And then from domain you can connect your own domain, and then also you can buy domain from Shopify. Okay, so guys it's very basic and simple. Under the notification you can see all the notification. Under the meta object it's very advanced thing, so I think for the beginning you don't need to know that. Under the language you can actually control your site language, and then under the customer policy you can add your customer policy. Under the policy you can control and create a new policy on your store. So that's pretty much it all about Shopify stores. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know into the comment box. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.